Welcome to Alvinsa's studio. Today we're excited to showcase an incredible project that redefines modern living. A stunning container home built for just $231,000. With its stylish design, functional layout, and eco-friendly features, this home is a perfect example of innovation meeting affordability. Whether you're dreaming of building your own container home or simply curious about the possibilities, this tour will inspire you with creative ideas and smart design solutions. In a world where housing prices seem to soar beyond reach, a beacon of hope emerges from an unexpected place, a container home in Russell Island, Queensland. Sold recently for just $231,000, this innovative dwelling is more than just a house. It's a testament to creative thinking, sustainable living, and the endless possibilities that come when we challenge traditional norms. Imagine owning a brand new, architecturally designed home on freehold land for a fraction of the typical cost. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. This unique residence is crafted from two 40-foot high cube shipping containers, seamlessly integrated to offer comfort without compromising on style. Nestled among lush native trees and pines, the home is enveloped by nature reserves, ensuring that the serene environment remains untouched. The first container is a self-contained unit featuring a full-size bathroom, a kitchenette, and a flexible space that serves as both living area and bedroom. High-quality finishes like two-pack painted joinery and LED strip lighting elevate the interior, while practical additions like a powerful exhaust fan, full insulation, double-glazed sliding doors, and air conditioning ensure year-round comfort. It's even NBN ready, keeping you connected in this tranquil setting. The second container is a versatile open space, ready to be transformed into an art studio, workshop, or additional storage. Equipped with lighting, power outlets, a laundry trough, and a bench, it complements the main living area perfectly. What makes this home truly remarkable isn't just its price tag. It's the sustainable approach to modern living. Repurposing shipping containers reduces waste and lessens the environmental impact of new construction. It's a small footprint with a big statement. Luxury and eco-consciousness can go hand in hand.
This container home isn't just a property. It's a movement against the barriers that often keep people from owning their own homes. It challenges the notion that a dream home must come with a hefty price or excessive square footage. Instead, it offers a solution that's both innovative and attainable. Located in the scenic Moreton Bay region, Russell Island offers a peaceful community vibe away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Yet it's close enough to urban centres to keep you connected. The island lifestyle promotes relaxation, community engagement, and a closer connection to nature. This story is more than a real estate success. It's an inspiration for anyone feeling boxed in by conventional housing markets. It shows that with creativity and open-mindedness, homeownership is within reach. Whether you're a first-time buyer, an artist seeking a serene studio space, or someone looking to downsize without downgrading your quality of life, this container home exemplifies what's possible. As housing challenges continue to evolve, so too must our solutions. Embracing alternative building methods like container homes can lead to more sustainable, affordable, and personalized living spaces. It's time to think outside the box, literally. Let this incredible home on Russell Island inspire you to reimagine what your own dream home could be. Perhaps it's not about the size or the conventional design, but about creating a space that reflects your values, meets your needs, and brings you joy. After all, home is where the heart is, and sometimes it's made from the most unexpected materials.
And that wraps up our tour of this stunning $231,000 container home. From its modern design to its thoughtful layout, this home is proof that luxury and affordability can go hand in hand. If this home inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio. Be sure to hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our next feature on innovative homes and creative designs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here on Alvinsa Studio.